Back to school season is just around the corner. Stick around to see how you can capitalize on this season. As students gear up to head back to school for 2019, families are planning to spend more than ever. In fact, the total spending from pre-K to college combined is projected to be $80.7 billion. And at the top of the list of items that are going to be purchased is personalized accessories. As a heat printer, it can be extremely easy to capitalize on this market, especially with the help of Viv&Lou's trendy accessories from Wholesale Boutique and Stahls products. Let me show you just how lucrative these items can be to offer at your shop for the season. I'm going to be working with the Stahls Hottronics Fusion that allows me to interchange the bottom platens, making it really easy to isolate certain areas of an item that I want to personalize. It just goes right back in and locks in place, so it's ready to be loaded and I can heat apply my item. We're going to be starting with this clear backpack, which I'm going to load under the platen. So you can see there's a lot of threadability with the Fusion that allows me to put the bulk of the item I want to personalize underneath that completely. Now we are working with a zipper here that's going to cause uneven pressure if we were to leave that right on the platen. So another accessory I'm going to use in addition to my small platen is the Print Perfect pad. This is going to thread in and drop that zipper behind, so now I have a nice flat surface to heat apply. We're going to be using cad-cut glitter flake for our application, and since we have plastic that could melt under the high temperature, we're going to be using a flexible application pad that's going to protect that from melting with the heat. Anytime you're using the flexible application pad, you want to increase your time an additional 10 seconds from the original instruction. Glitter flake is a hot peel, so as soon as that's complete, I can peel that carrier back, and my personalized backpack is complete. Next, we have this adorably printed pencil bag. As you can see, we're working with some hardware, so we want to make sure that that is fitting exactly on our 6x10 platen so that those are out of the way and not causing an uneven pressure. We can place our glitter flake, cover with a cover sheet, and apply. Now I can remove that carrier, and our personalized pencil bag that can fit into any binder is complete. Notebooks are another necessity for back to school, and you can profit easily by printing sticker decals with the customer's personalization and a line for them to customize by putting their school class or subject. All you have to do is remove it from its backing, place it on the notebook, apply pressure. It's a pressure sensitive adhesive, so it will apply as you are putting pressure to it. Remove away its carrier. And now it can be written on with a Sharpie. So they can put their subject right there, wait for it to dry, and it will be completely custom to however they want it. Now you can pre-apply these to Viv&Lou notebooks, or you can sell it in addition to the notebook. Now let's review the items we personalized. The clear backpack is a huge trend for back to school season. It's not only fashionable, but functional as well. Many schools across the U.S. are passing a regulation that requires students to carry clear backpacks. Viv&Lou continues to stay current by offering clear backpacks that are not only cute, but also easy to heat apply. You can also pair other accessories with the backpack, such as the pencil bag and notebook that are also by Viv&Lou from Wholesale Boutique. For more ideas and tips for heat printing for back to school, subscribe to the Stahls TV YouTube channel.